On this episode, we're filling spot welds, prepping for paint. So if your filler can's been sitting around for a while, it's a good idea to mix it, stir it up. This has been sitting in the shop, I don't know how long. Same thing with your hardener. Wasted it. It's been hard already.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry. Yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry, the guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so lay down on that cooling board. I said, I grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, a good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. A good old gal got to lay down to the judgment day. Looked like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Wouldn't mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I will mistreat my baby for my wedding gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, see you on the Judgment Day. No, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said, I went into my room, bow my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul, throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. Well, I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, when you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard. I love someone, don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard. Love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction. Don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day. Hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. You know my dad, baby, had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling down for my shoes. I said you know about that, baby, had more walking blues. I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night and on the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. I hush, thought I heard her call my name. It was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, oh, hush. Thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. But listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minute seemed like hours and the hour seemed like days. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, minute seemed like hours, hours seemed like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating ways. You know love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue.
So this is a Black & Decker, they call it a mouse. But it has this little protrusion on it. So it'll still sand flat, but small areas, so it gets up in here all these corners. So this is 80 grit to knock it down.
Cypress storm. Chopping trees, driving tractor all day. He works that push pile all night down the Arwindale way. Lord knows it's just one man. Try to live out them songs he wrote. Took him down too soon, took him down too slow. One thing he told me, the one thing I learned: blues can't be taught, boy, they got to be earned. He's a walking catfish, he run a chicken down. Hill's jungle in this hill town. He's the devil in a black dog. He's evil. He told me there's one thing I learned: oh, them blues can't be taught, son, they got to be heard. talk.